Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Kelly, and I'm here for the Dollar Tree challenge. We're doing dessert or salad, or both if you can, for under $5. So I'm just scoping out the frozen food section to see where I'm going to begin. I already see one thing that is a must here, and yes, this is the real deal, Cool Whip. Okay. I had a plan for my recipe, and I was hoping, fingers crossed, I would not have a problem finding what I needed. And Dollar Tree, you most certainly did not disappoint at all. I needed cream cheese and, oops, one second guys, and the sour cream. And now I knew I wasn't gonna be able to do a grape salad, so I'm willing to improvise and not do grapes. So I am going to make a berry salad. So, and here we go, even better. Frozen fruit blend. It looks like it's strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. So, win-win. I'm actually gonna grab 2 bags just in case. So that's 2, 3, 4. I just made it to $5. Awesome. Winning. Hi YouTube, it's me, Miss Kelly again. We're getting ready to mix up the grape salad for my Dollar Tree challenge video. So what we got here is a package of cream cheese. It's been sitting out for a little while because it was in need to be soft for the recipe, and a cup of sour cream. Both of these things were found at Dollar Tree. The only thing I am using from my own home is a little sugar and a little almond extract. It called for vanilla, but I don't have any vanilla extract, so I figured almond was a better option. Something a little different tasting, so I'm just gonna plop the I just plopped the cup of sour cream into the pot, and then I am going to add the packet of cream cheese, the sugar, and the almond. As you can see here, we have, the packet of cream cheese, a cup of sour cream, and some Truvia, and the almond extract. I don't have an electric mixer, so I guess we're going all old school here. The cream cheese is very, very soft. I had left it out for the day, so we're just gonna the soft cream cheese with the sour cream, the almond, and the Truvia. As you can see, it's mixing really well. So we're just gonna mix this in really, really well. So yeah, we're using a potato masher because I just don't happen to have a electric mixer. So dessert on $5. Talk about not only are we doing it Dollar Tree style, we're doing it the old-fashioned cheapy style with no electric mixer, saving electric and saving money. The mixture has gotten nice and creamy. Yep. So again, this is just cream cheese, a packet of cream cheese, a 8-ounce cup of sour cream, a little Truvia because I can't have regular sugar, and almond extract because I couldn't find my vanilla. So this is kind of like a cheesecake taste, minus the vanilla because I don't have any. But okay, so this is very, very bariatric friendly. I got this recipe on Pinterest, but there's going to be a twist instead of the one on Pinterest. This recipe, if you had seen in my video earlier, I got the berry blend. Usually this recipe is made with grapes, but it is Dollar Tree and unpredictable, so they didn't have any grapes. They had a berry mix, so there's some bananas, some blueberries, and strawberries. So like I said, if you want to get this recipe on Pinterest, it generally calls for grapes, but there were no grapes to be had, so it is just some strawberries and blueberries and bananas. And I did get 2 packets. Now I let this thaw out because I didn't want the fruit to thaw out in the mixture and like the, you know, the crystals from the ice getting in there and making a mess of that. So please hold. Unfortunately, the one bag was a little small, so I ended up getting 2. So here we go. So we have 2 bags of the berry blend. It's like I said, again, it's strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. I mean, you could puree this into like a you know, a smoothie if you wanted to as well. So it's gonna be like a cheesecakey flavor. So I guess in a sense, this is kind of like a dessert and a fruit salad all in one. And there we go. So again, so I bought 2 bags of fruit, and I didn't use the full thing of sour cream, but I guess, you know, that still counts towards my $1. So I got 2 bags of fruit, the 1 container of cream cheese, so that's $3. I got so we got the sour cream, the cream cheese, $2, 2 bags of fruit, so $4. And I did get Cool Whip to put on top of it, so this was actually a total of $5. And the Cool Whip is optional. And this is a full, like I said, it's a salad, a dessert salad. So, and then you're gonna put this in the refrigerator for a little while and let it sit. And be right back. Happy 4th of July. Here we are doing the mukbang of the dessert. So again, make sure you check out Let's Talk About It with Jaime, Gina MK, Jackknife Finnegan, Pajama Bottom Mama, and Chef Ron, and maybe a few others. The links will be down below. And vote for whose 4th of July Dollar Tree under $5 dessert was the best. See ya later.